Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today I'm going to help you guys get over your fears and get your first social media marketing client. So many of you guys are spinning your wheels. You're trying to figure out what you need to do in order to get your first SMMA client. And the truth of the matter is, ladies and gentlemen, is that the reason why you're struggling to get clients is it's fear. Okay, fear is what's holding 98% of you guys back from getting on the phone and or even doing any type of outreach because you don't believe in yourself. Okay, when I first started my social media marketing agency, ladies and gentlemen, I was just like you. You know what I mean? I had fears and doubts. You know, I was working a 9-to-5 job. I was overworked, underpaid. But the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen, is this, is that I hated my job and I wanted out. So it was either deal with the fear of working a 9-to-5 job or deal with the fear of picking up the phone and learning a skill that could pay me $5,000 to $10,000 a month. I had to weigh my options. And a lot of you guys aren't weighing your options. You're allowing fear. Okay, and all fear is false evidence appearing real. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, cold calling is not as bad as it seems. It is actually something simple you can do. It's a simple skill set. That's why I like to start all of my students in cold calling, because it's a low learning curve. Unlike if you were to have to learn internet marketing, copywriting skills, or let's say Shopify or Facebook ads or YouTube ads. It takes a little bit more of a learning curve to nail that stuff down, and then you need revenue. The beautiful thing about SMMA and cold calling, you can literally go from $0 to $10,000 a month rather quickly just by picking up the phone, okay? And if you guys want to dominate and crush it over the phone, it's same strategies I use to start off and go from $0 to over $10,000 a month. My first year, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Instant Client Pro 7-day challenge, and I'll basically show you guys how to get a client in 7 days or less. But ladies and gentlemen, if you want to really start to get clients, the first thing is you have to do is that you have to get over that mental block, that inertia, that comfort zone that you're in, and you have to take action, okay? The way you defeat fear is by taking action. You're not going to defeat fear by looking at the phone saying, man, I wonder if I should pay. Oh, no, I'll wait till later, or I'll watch Netflix. You keep putting that phone down. The way that you get over fear is that you confront fear head on, okay? And you got to pick up that phone and you got to make that first dial. Once you make that first dial, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see that Maurice is right. This is not as bad as it seems. And you got to set a schedule up. You got to be disciplined. The reason why so many people aren't pulling in thousands of dollars a month in SMMA is they're not disciplined, okay? And if you're not disciplined, meaning you can't make yourself do the activities necessary to hit your goals, then you need a coach, okay? You need a coach. You need someone to hold you by the hand and hold you to the fire, okay? And you guys can click the link in the description if you want to sign up for coaching, or there's other coaches out there that you can reach out to that will help you to stay the course, okay? I noticed that as I was building my agency, working a job, making cold calls, going out seeing clients or what have you to get the job done, that I had obstacles and hurdles just like you, but I didn't allow the obstacles, or I like to call them the cares of life, to hold me back, okay? I continue to persevere. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't have a a college degree and all that type of stuff. I have my high school diploma, you know what I mean? But I also had a work ethic second to none. Write that down. The reason why I'm a killer on that phone, and when it comes to making money, you're not going to outwork me. I'm going to make sure I get it done. That's why the whole world is my oyster when it comes to the phone, and it can be yours too when you have a work ethic. These are just some qualities I think that you need if you want to get your first client, and build a $10,000 to $15,000 a month agency. Man, you got to work. Some of you guys want something for nothing. You don't want to buy courses. You don't want to coach. You don't want to pick up the phone. You just want somebody to come knock on your door. Oh, here's your SMMA client. It's not happening. Or you want the business owner. Hey, I want to sign up for your social media marketing services. That's not going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. I wish it would, but that's not how it is. Matter of fact, all my years of being an SMMA, and I do get clients to, reach out or whatever the case may be because I got other strategies. However, no one has accidentally appeared on my doorstep and said, hey, Maurice, can I sign up for your social media marketing services, please? They haven't done that. You have to develop a skill, ladies and gentlemen, and that's what I'm teaching. That's why I always encourage you to invest. Get the courses, read the books, listen to the training so you can break all of that mental programming that's going on. Because remember, you've been programmed as a child to go to school, get a job, and work for somebody else. And here I am, Maurice, trying to train you. Hey, you got to reverse that. The reverse of that is to invest in your mind. That's the best real estate you can invest in. Then I'm telling you to apply what you learn. Then I'm telling you to do something different. I'm teaching you to work for yourself, okay? I'm teaching you a skill set. And you got to understand, you've been programmed since you were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till adulthood, okay, to go to school, get a job, and work for yourself. You were never taught to be an entrepreneur. So that's why when I talk to you and you hear other people that are making money, it seems kind of foreign. Buy a course? I want to learn this stuff for free. You can't learn this stuff for free, okay? I'm teaching you a new way of making money. All right, and working for yourself and building an agency that can produce thousands of dollars for yourself. And that's not going to come free, and it's not going to come by you being in your comfort zone. You got to break that paradigm. Most of you guys, this is your routine. You go to work, you come home, you jump on YouTube, you watch you some shows, you eat food, you go to bed, and you repeat the process over and over and over again. That's what I call comfort zone. You got to get out of your comfort zone. You got to get the courses. You got to apply what you learn. You got to make time to make cold calls day in, day out. Day in, day out. And if you do that day in and day out, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to destroy fear. You're going to get your first client, and you're going to start to build your agency. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started to build my agency, I was on that phone day in and day out. I was a killer. Yes, I had fears. Yes, I didn't want people to hang up on me, but here's the truth of the matter. They didn't hang up on me that much. You have a few people out of the day that say they're not interested or whatever, and that's it. And I figured, hey, I don't care how many people hang up on me. I'm trying to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month at the time. I didn't care. See, a lot of you guys care about the reactions that you're getting from building an agency. You got to ignore that. That's why it's so important to have goals. See, because goals drive you. That's why I tell you, matter of fact, grab a piece of paper right now and write down 10 goals you want to accomplish this year, okay? Write them down, because that's going to be the fuel to drive you to make sure you're hitting your numbers, making your calls, doing the thing. Ladies and gentlemen, social media marketing is a business, okay? And if you treat it like a business, it'll pay you like a business. If you treat it like a hobby, how do you treat it like a hobby? You don't want to get a course. You don't want to get a coach. You don't want to take action. You don't want to do the thing. You don't want to pick up the phone. You don't want to send a cold email. You don't want to grow. You don't want to read. You're treating it like a hobby. You just want to watch people on YouTube, but you don't want to take action. Ladies and gentlemen, that's treating it like a hobby. That's not going to put money in your pocket. If you want SMMA to put $10,000 a month in your pocket in the next 60 to 90 days, this is all you got to do to defeat fear and to get good at it. Let's say that again. To defeat fear and to get good at it. The reason why I tell you guys to do this religiously, because I know that'll build your skill set. A lot of you guys don't have skills. I didn't have skills when I first started. I sucked. But here's the difference of me and you. I got over my ability to suck. I eventually made the calls. I got a little better. Then the next day I got a little better. And then I got a little better. And I start getting good. Then I start getting clients. Then I start building my agency. And then before I was making over $20,000 a month. Why? Because I took action. I got over my fears and I got good at the game. I made sure I made calls Monday through Saturday. I got courses. Okay. I got the coaches. I read books, trainings. So I can break all the, because here's the thing, you guys have propaganda coming at you every day. Then you have your subconscious mind telling you, oh no, don't do that. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna do good in cold call. This is your own psychological thinking. A lot of you guys have anxieties. This is how you break anxieties, okay? You gotta, the way you break that anxiety, because you're nervous, you're feeling something's gonna happen that's really not, is that you just jump in there and you do it. And you do it day in and day out. You guys are dibbling and dabbling. You never get good at that. Okay, if you look at any professional athlete, they practice religiously all the time, Monday through Friday. Some of them guys are in the gym and they make it look so easy because they practice. That's why I say, get the scripts. If you guys want the scripts that I use, click the link in the description, sign up for the course and get the scripts so you can practice your script out loud before you get on the phone. Okay. And then when you do make calls, you're still practicing. You're getting good. You're learning the game. And if you're not on the phone, if you're not reading your script 10 to 20 times out loud before you get on the phone and your rebuttals, you're not going to get good at this. And here's the thing. When you get better, your money gets better. When you get better, your money gets better. And that's why I encourage you guys to get better, to invest in yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm teaching you how to build a 6-figure agency. You can't do that without investing in yourself and growing your mind and reading and personal development. All right? That's what it takes to be successful. I can't tell you anything else. Okay? I got to give you guys the truth. I got to give you the shimmy. That is the shimmy. Okay. That means that's the truth. Okay. And I know a lot of you guys want the magic bullet, but the magic bullet is momentum. That means doing it over and over. That's how you defeat fear. That's how you build a 6-figure agency. Okay. Now you guys take me up on that challenge. Okay. I got a 7-day challenge going on. You can get your first client in 7 days. If you guys want to join me, where I literally basically started over as a new person. If I had no clients, no agency, no brand, how I would get my first client in 7 days or less. All right. Click the link in the description. You guys can watch each video. I'll show you what I did each day to build basically a new agency from scratch. Okay. This course will take you guys to the next level. So if you're serious, you're sick and tired, you're fed up. Okay. You're fed up with mediocrity, being broke, not having clients. I challenge you. Take the 7-day challenge. Click the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you thought about this video, this training. And make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I put out powerful videos like this to help you guys get to the next level, make $10,000 a month, build a 6 or 7-figure agency, depending on where your goals are at. I just want to help you guys. That's why I do this. I don't have to, of course, because I'm successful in SMMA and all my other companies, but I want to give back, okay? And I want you guys to make sure that this video goes to use. And how is that? By applying what I told you. You got to get in there and you got to get the job done, okay? So if you guys want help, you want to learn my process, click the link in the description. Take me up on a 7-day challenge. You guys will love it. I'll send you 7 videos on basically how I started a new agency from scratch, starting over as a new person, just to show you guys what you should be doing. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.